Hello, my name's Andrew Pumphrey. I'm the General Manager of McPherson's Resources. Behind me is the Greenfields mill that we're currently milling ore from our Boorara Gold Project. The Boorara Gold Project is located 15 kilometres east of Kalgoorlie and is part of a bankable feasibility study that McPherson's Resources is currently undertaking. We've just recently mined a trial pit using an 85-tonne digger and 3 40-tonne articulated trucks and a mining team, a technical team that basically extracted 80,000 BCM of material, of which we expect the grade of the Boorara ore to go 1.8 grams of a tonne. We'll be milling approximately 30,000 tonnes. So we're looking forward to seeing the final result of that milling campaign. It took us about a month to mine that material, and we had a group of operators on site and technical team based at the Nimbus mine site, which is only 2 kilometres away from Boorara. That was completed about 2 weeks ago, and now we've had the ore carted over from Boorara to Coolgardie here by MLG Oz haulage using their quad road trains. It took them about a week to cart all the ore over here, and now it's sitting on the ROM pad behind me at the Greenfields mill. We've only just started milling, and we expect it's going to take us about 14 days to mill all our ore through the treatment plant here. And what that will do will actually give us a very good indication of the recovered grade that we'll be able to use in our feasibility study and compare that to actually what was in our geological block model, which is all part of the feasibility study, to see how these figures all reconcile. We're expecting this all be completed shortly. And look, we're really excited to see mining at Boorara for the first time. And for the company, it's basically I guess the first small step into going into production, and we're expecting our feasibility study to be finished shortly, and following that a decision will be made whether we proceed to mining and treatment via a heap leach process, or we actually look at milling via a CIP process. Behind us is the CIP plant, and basically that involves crushing the ore down to around about 12 millimetres, and then it's transported by conveyors up to the bore mill, where it's ground to 75 micron, and water is added to it, and cyanide, and it goes through the series of leach tanks behind us, and then finally into the absorption tanks, which contain the activated carbon, and their gold at that stage is in solution and actually gets impregnated onto the black activated carbon, which is finally stripped in the gold room, and they then produce a bar of gold for us. Exciting, we'll make a profit out of this operation. Look, I hope this video has helped everyone to understand how the actual process works, from mining to transporting to actually milling and the pouring the bar gold. I'd just like to thank all our suppliers and contractors that have helped us get to this point. MLG Oz for doing both the mining and the ore haulage, and FMR Investments for milling our ore here at Greenfields Mill. Goldfields Technical Services, Pat Hogan, Pinnacle Drill and Blast Services, Minecont Surveys, Howard Bush. Thanks very much for watching our video.